That's a good beat. So hey guys, it's me again. It's almost 9 p.m. So I'll be getting ready to work out and my night routine. So first of all, I'm gonna drive because I'm in the mission. So there's a lot of people around me and I need to change into my gym clothes, and then I need to put some curtains on my windows. So I'm gonna drive away from here so I can show you guys. Hey guys, I'm back. So as you can see, I already changed. I changed my earrings and I did it in my car. So I was naked in my car, but don't tell anyone. I'm ready to go to the gym and work out, but before we head to the gym, I usually cover up my windows so people cannot see me when I'm sleeping, because that will be creepy, really creepy. And I use these beauties to cover them up. So let's do it. Do it. Ready, and then I just put it back up so I can see while I'm driving. I finally made it to the gym after like probably a month, because I was in Mexico, so I didn't work out for like a month. So I'm ready to get back to it. I love coming to the gym at this time because it's pretty much empty. Of course, it's 10 p.m. So I love coming at this time of the day. I already started with the treadmill. I think I'm just gonna do 30 minutes today, or probably an hour, and that's it. I'm kind of tired, but gotta have the Kardashians ass. So every time I come here after my workout, I feel like Emily Rose is waiting for me, staring at me from that corner. It looks kind of creepy, isn't it? Like all alone, late at night, and then the place looks kind of old and creepy. So this is the women's lockers from my gym. If you guys know how to use the weight scale, please send me a quick tutorial so I can learn how to. My friend Emily and I will get ready to shower. No, I'm not even gonna joke with that. So I'm gonna get ready to shower. I have all my stuff here. Number 8. One thing I like about this gym, they provide the towels, so you don't really need to bring yours, and whenever you're done using them, you just have to throw them in the bin, which is right here, and they take care of them, they wash them, they do everything. And that's really great for me, because if they don't dry like really dry, they smell bad, so I don't like that. And to be honest, the thought of using a towel that someone else used before me gave me like yuck. But now I'm like, don't think about it, it's easier for you, so just do it and just don't think about it. So that's what I do. These are the products that I usually use at night. I blow dry my hair so it's not wet and I don't get sick. I wash my hair twice with Head and Shoulders. And then I use this one. Then a scrub. lotion, of course, my toothbrush, and this one, this is wonderful. If you haven't tried it, you should do it. This is 3-in-1. So wash, scrub, and mask. And then I clean my face one more time after I wash it with the tea tree. Clean it up. And I'm gonna try this one for the first time. I don't know if it's good, but I got it at Target. I'm gonna try it and see if it works. I'm using coconut oil to remove my eye makeup. They're usually inexpensive and help to grow your eyelashes. I got this one in Mexico for like 13 pesos, I think, which is like $1 pretty much. I go like this. And no more makeup. You see pimple. And just I leave it until I shower, and then when I'm in the shower I scrub my face. It feels fresh. I shower, I'm in my PJs. I'm gonna use this one. I just came back from San Diego and I drove all the way to San Diego, so it was an 8-hour drive. It was tiring, but it was good. I love San Diego. I actually want to move to San Diego eventually. My skin has been really bad to me. And now I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm in my car now. I just got out of the gym right on time, and I even had like 2 minutes left to go pee-pee, so it was all good. I'm just gonna put some lip balm on my lips and I'll go to sleep. But thank you guys for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment. Thank you.